So I got this image off of Canva and I just screenshotted it, and now I'm putting it in Affinity Designer and I'm just creating squares where all the images are so I can make my own collage. And you can just copy and paste the squares once you make the first one the right size, just to make the process faster. So once I did that, I put all my pictures into the squares, and then I took a square that would be the size of 8.5 by 14 just so I could know what pictures would fit on the paper, and then I grouped them into sections and moved them into a separate piece of paper and just printed off those separate pieces of paper. Okay, so this is probably going to be a more complicated process, but we're going to tape these all together to kind of form the image. So I have my design on the side so I can see. So this one should go about right here and line up with this one. So I'm going to bring it down to where I want it. And I'm just going to take some heat tape. I'm going to use my smaller heat tape for this. Probably flip it. Just tape the back. Now we have one part of our design. Okay, so we have this part now, and I'm just going to keep going. Okay, so we're gonna open up our blanket. So I want this design to kind of go in the middle of the blanket. So I kind of have to figure out where that is. This just turned out to be a hot mess. I already lint rolled it, and now I'm just gonna press it. Move it a little bit more. Okay. I hope this turns out good. This was a lot more time consuming than I thought it was going to be. It's way harder too. We'll see. Learn from me. Make a smaller design because this was too much. Too much. Okay, let's at least see if it looks good, which it does. At least it looks good. So the bottom part of the wire didn't sublimate, so maybe I can just cut it. Maybe I can just cut it and put it where it should go. So now I'm going to try to fix this one down here. And let's see how we can fix this one. Don't have too much hope for it. Let's see. Hope this doesn't shift. Okay, let's. Moment of truth. It came out perfect. I lined it up perfectly.